One click that does 5 things at once. That's what Quick Step can do. So imagine pressing a single button that will mark your email, that will file it, that will tag it, that will flag it, and that will also forward your email to a specific person. Just all in one go. So today in this video, I will show you the step by step process, how you can build up your own and get all the benefits of this feature. So let's jump on in. So we all have little routine. We run on certain emails, read it, customize it, move it, flag it, forward it to someone. Doing those one at a time is slow. The quick step in New Outlook chains all of these actions onto a single button. So the whole routine fires at once. So here is my New Outlook, and I simply go to this Home tab. Or the quickest method to find Quick Step is to click on this gear symbol, which is available on the top right corner of your screen. Just click on it. In this search bar, type Quick. Click on Quick Steps, and you are directly sent to the Quick Step setup. Now here, first I will show you your Quick Step for. I have multiple email addresses, and in which email address I need to add this Quick Step. You have to select the email address first. Then click on this Add Quick Step. That will open a simple form. Now I will show you. First, you need to name your Quick Step. So I just name myself, say Amit. Now choose an action. So I first select, say I need to mark as read. Now I again click on this Add another action. Here I will simply select flag. Where once I select flag, I have to select the options. So I select tomorrow. Next option, again click on add another action. Now choose an action once again. Now I choose move to. Here I am asking my system to move this email to a specific folder. So I have to select the folder now. Again I click add another action, click on drop down. I select pin. I also want this email to be pinned. Another action once again, click on drop down, and this time I will select forward to. Now here I need to add the email address of my colleague or my boss. So I simply select my own email address, and that's it. And the most important part is assign a keyboard shortcut. So you can customize your quick step description here. So I just keep it blank. Now the main part is choose a shortcut. So I assign Control Shift and 5. There are a couple of keyboard shortcuts already given by this new Outlook. So you can select only from these. Select this and hit save. Now you will see your quick step is added in the library. You can edit it, you can remove it, and you can check out the description by clicking on this expand button. Now I will show you a simple example how it works. I simply minimize it. So I have to first select the email. So you have to be very careful that you have to select the inbox of your specific email address for which you have assigned this quick step. So I select my inbox here and I select, say, this one. Now I select Control, Shift and 5. Now see, all the 5 actions are executed just in fraction of second. You will see the email is forwarded and asking me to type or add something in the description. You can see my email is also shifted to this high priority folder. It is also flagged. It is also pinned. So these are 4 to 5 actions which is executed by just clicking a single keyboard shortcut. So if you have learned something new from this video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will never miss out any Outlook tips and problem solvers videos I come up with. Thank you and have a nice day.